Alrighty guys, got another video for you guys today. I'll be shooting some $18 box Midas Plus, Lapua Midas Plus. The CZ457 MTR. Shot this stuff before, shoots pretty good out of this gun, so let's see what kind of groupings we can get today. I'm going to do 5 shot, 5 groups. 5 groups, 5 shots. Also guys, as I mentioned in the other videos, January 23rd is the deadline for a free giveaway. Every month we give away something on this channel, so this month we're giving away a 16-ounce bottle of Rimfire blend, or Vortex Rimfire blend cleaner, and then also 2 22 nylon brushes from Vortex. Easy to enter. All you gotta do is comment down below Midas Plus, like the video, and also subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to grow just a little bit more. I mean, I'm happy with the results of the way it's going so far. I mean, heck, most of my videos now are over 1,000 views, so that's awesome. I appreciate you guys a lot for watching them. But yeah, we'll get right into it. Alrighty, first group. Also guys, the bore is clean. I ran 2 wet patches through it of the Vortex Rimfire blend cleaner, and then 3 dry patches. So the bore is clean. And I did shoot 10 riflings through it just to get the lube back in it. Stuff seems to be all over the place. Could just because of the bore's cold. Alright guys, I'm going to go down range, collect the target, bring it back, and measure it up and see what our size of the groupings are and what our average is. Alrighty guys, so I just got back, went down, retrieved the target, came back up, measured out the Midas Plus, and here's what we got group wise. First group, right there, it is 0.833. I think maybe these shots right here were the ones that were high and one was low. Could have been just flyers. My second group, which is right here, it measured out to 0.349. Then my next group measured out to 0.726. My fourth grouping measured out to be 0.212, and then the last group measured out to be 0.405, which brought the average to 0.505. I don't think the stuff shot too bad. I noticed that there was a lot of flyers in this stuff. It could have just been the bad lot of ammo or whatnot. I'll have to maybe possibly repurchase some more Midas Plus and maybe weigh them out for the next shooting, and then that way I'd try to eliminate some of the flyers. But overall, I think pretty good grouping. I mean, didn't shoot too bad. But like I said, guys, also at the January 23rd is the cutoff date for the free giveaway. We're gonna do go Facebook Live on January 24th. All the names entered in are going to be in a randomizer, and then it'll pick the winner. But it's easy. All you got to do to enter the giveaway is just like this video, comment down below Midas Plus, and then also, guys, would you please hit the subscribe button? I see I don't know, almost 60% of our viewers is not subscribed, and I got a lot more content to bring you guys. I got a new scope coming in Thursday with some new rings that I'm going to mount up on my and shoots. And then also I got a brick of some RWS R50 I'm going to get once it comes in. I'm going to weigh it all out and get it prepared for this next match that's coming Sunday, which I'm going to take you guys along with me on that. And then I also got Edgewood bag coming in. I called them last week. They said it was going to be here, I don't know, within 2 weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. And I'm also trying to work out a deal with them. That way, if you guys ever decide to order Edgewood bags, you can use a promotion code. You can get a little discount off that stuff. But yeah, that's today's video. That's going to wrap it up. I appreciate all you guys watching and commenting, liking, and subscribing. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.